So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a couple of Christmas DIYs. So come on with me, guys. Now, because I'm preparing for Christmas, I'm taking stuff out of the crates and we are preparing this right here for a quick floral arrangement that we can use as an accent piece. And then I have some other ones that are following. So this video is part of a collaboration called 5 for $5, and that's being hosted by Farm Charm Chick, and her guest is Buffie Designs. So I decided to go ahead and paint this crate with the apple barrel paint in black. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I went ahead and I put that crate over to the side because that have to dry. Now when I was taking stuff out of the crate, then a couple of things fell apart on me. So we're just going to go ahead and make them new because I absolutely loved them from last year. So I love working with the trees, the wood trees from the crafters section. I absolutely love these trees, guys. And I could buy the bottle brush trees, but I love crafting with these trees. All right, so doesn't this look absolutely beautiful? I am loving that color green. Let's move on to the next one. Now this was a piece that also came from my container, my Christmas container, and I have to fix it because it fell apart. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm loving the colors, that hunter green and the white. I just love that touch, guys. All right, now look how this is looking. It's amazing, guys. I love it. Let's move on to the next step. So here we are with this picture frame. I'm absolutely loving this as well. And the white flake fell off, so we're just gonna go ahead and fix that. It just seems like everything I pulled out, I have to fix. So this is gonna look amazing because these are the colors that I'm sticking with. So I think this wall hanging came out absolutely beautiful. Now let's move on to the floral arrangement. So I went ahead and I purchased the gold metallic poinsettias, and so I'm cutting those at the stems, and we're gonna make a floral arrangement with it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm also mixing the metals, so I decided to buy the berries in the silver, and this is very festive looking, even though the crate is black. All right, so we are almost done with this accent piece here, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal so that you can see how beautiful these items are, and I can go ahead and start decorating. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels. Now let's head on over to the reveal. So I think these came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.